Hi everyone, my name is Relebogile Magu. This is part 5 of 2 of the Job Hunt Masterclass series. In this video, we are going to show you how you can create your CV on Facebook. When you are looking for a job using Facebook, you need to be mindful of what you post, as some agencies and families will go through your Facebook profile, so it's very important that you are aware of that. Again, the great thing is that you can customize your CV easily with every application, which will help you to stand out. This is going to be a very brief tutorial and not a full-on tutorial. Let's get into the video. You will go to the Facebook job portal and then you're going to click where it says you. So if you have a CV already, you can upload it. I have already created my CV, so I'm just going to click edit. This is what the contact info looks like. Remember not to put your full address. This is what the work experience section looks like. Please be descriptive when it comes to your job duties. You can choose if you want your info to be private or public. You can also include experience from other industries and choose to include or exclude it when you apply for jobs. This is what the education section looks like. This is what the skills section looks like. You can always edit the skills to match the jobs you apply for, as every job post is different. If you have a driver's license, you can add the info here or any achievements. Your professional summary should match the job spec, since here there is no option for a cover letter. So your professional summary for every job post will be different. So now you will review if you didn't miss anything before downloading the CV to your phone. After downloading your CV, please rename your documents for ease of reference. That's it for the video. See you in the next one. Bye.